All right, down in Colquitt, South Georgia. Place got hit pretty hard with the hurricane. We're at the state trooper barracks after hours. Just offloaded all the supplies that we brought. Brought some waters and about $4,000 worth of canned foods and baby food for the members of the community. State troopers here are real appreciative of us. They remembered us from last week and said the families here were very grateful that we brought items that nobody else brought that they needed. So to see all of these canned goods, they came pretty heavy and we couldn't fit it all in my van. And Kirsten and Ron are coming back down this weekend with a pallet full of beans and soups that we bought. So it was a total of about $4,000, a little over $4,000 worth of food for these people. So thank you, everybody. We appreciate the support. And there's Alejandro de Goat. Hey, we gotta put this back in now. Open the door. Got my dog kennel and my boxing crate.